Hey there, breakfast lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of morning indulgence without the guilt, as we present to you 8 sweet and healthy breakfasts to satisfy your morning sweet tooth. We get it. Sometimes you wake up craving something sweet, and we've got just the recipes that will make your taste buds dance while still keeping your health goals in check. So, grab your apron and get ready to create these mouthwatering morning treats. 1. Mixed berry yogurt parfait. Let's start our sweet journey with a mixed berry yogurt parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with a medley of fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a sprinkle of granola for that satisfying crunch. This parfait packs a punch of antioxidants, protein, and fiber to kickstart your day. 2. Banana nut pancakes. Next up, we have a breakfast classic with a healthy twist, banana nut pancakes. Mash ripe bananas into your pancake batter for natural sweetness and moisture. Top your fluffy pancakes with chopped nuts, a drizzle of pure maple syrup, and a dash of cinnamon. It's a stack of deliciousness that fuels you with nutrients. 3. Chocolate peanut butter smoothie bowl. Who says you can't have chocolate for breakfast? Our chocolate peanut butter smoothie bowl is both satisfying and nutritious. Blend frozen bananas, unsweetened cocoa powder, a spoonful of peanut butter, and a splash of almond milk. Top with sliced bananas, crushed nuts, and a sprinkle of cocoa nibs. It's a creamy, dreamy delight. 4. Apple cinnamon overnight oats. Craving the flavors of a comforting apple pie? Try our apple cinnamon overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with almond milk, chopped apples, a pinch of cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and wake up to a bowl of creamy goodness that's as easy as it is delicious. 5. Chia seed pudding with mango. Get ready to fall in love with our chia seed pudding with mango. Combine chia seeds with coconut milk and a touch of vanilla extract. Let it set in the fridge until it becomes pudding-like in texture. Top with diced ripe mango for a tropical burst of sweetness and a dose of healthy fats. 6. Greek yogurt and berry waffle stack. For a breakfast that's as visually appealing as it is tasty, try our Greek yogurt and berry waffle stack. Layer whole grain waffles with Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. It's a stack of wholesome ingredients that will satisfy your cravings and keep you full. 7. Cinnamon raisin French toast. French toast doesn't have to be off limits. Make our cinnamon raisin French toast using whole grain bread, egg whites, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a handful of raisins. Cook until golden and serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a drizzle of agave syrup for a guilt-free indulgence. 8. Peanut butter banana toast. Last but certainly not least, indulge in a simple yet satisfying peanut butter banana toast. Spread natural peanut butter on whole grain toast, and top with banana slices and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's a power-packed breakfast that offers protein, healthy fats, and natural sweetness. There you have it, 8 sweet and healthy breakfasts to satisfy your morning sweet tooth. No need to resist those sweet cravings when you can enjoy these nutritious and delectable morning options. If you're excited to whip up these recipes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more delicious and health-conscious ideas. Thanks for joining us on this journey of flavor and wellness. Remember, mornings can be both delightful and nourishing. Take care and savor every bite.